So for your last day of your sub-assignments while I'm away, we're going to take a break from using the certification prep and do something a little bit more creative. So the other day we learned how to use the blob brush and the eraser tool to create characters and line work. So you're going to be doing that with one of the characters here below. You only have to choose one. And just like the other character, we're going to start off with tracing the outline and then building color with a separate layer afterwards. Remember to use the blob brush and the eraser tool in conjunction with one another. Your blob brush is Shift B. To change the setting of your blob brush, you can double click on it and control the fidelity, how smooth it's going to be, the size. You can also use your left and right bracket to control that. And the eraser tool is Shift E, and that tool is going to help you kind of build up the thickness and thinness of the line depending on what you need. So, for example, because I'm so sad being away from you, I'm going to choose sadness as my character. And let's say I'm going to draw her shoes. I'm going to start off by zooming in nice and close. I'm going to use my left bracket to make this smaller. And I'm just going to start by making the lines. Like right now my fill is white. Let me just set it to black so I can actually see what I'm drawing. And I'm going to just start tracing these shapes. Now let's say I finished drawing the entire character. What I'm going to do after I'm done outlining everything, I'm going to lock the layer that says line work. I'm going to create a new layer, name it color, and drag it right underneath. Then I can choose the colors I want to paint, still with the blob brush. Now you can get creative or you can use like the natural colors from the character. She's obviously very blue. Maybe this is not the right blue, but let's pretend. I can take my blob brush tool, and because my paint, I put my color in the wrong place. Let me add it to the stroke. Because my paint layer is underneath my line work, I have the option of like not being as precise. Right? And I saw some people on the monster get a little messy. Do not forget you can use your Shift E eraser tool and kind of clean up your edges. Because the document I gave you is locked, you will not erase the original character. You will only erase what you painted. Okay? Again, you're only choosing one character to complete. When you are done, you're going to place your final character down here in this empty artboard. For an extension, you can create a background for your character, also relying on the blob brush tool.